Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Sophia, where we make learning English as natural as speaking it. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: the profound impact of daily routines on our productivity and overall well being. Are you ready to transform your day? Let's get started. Good morning, Dave. How's everything this fine morning?
Morning, Sophia. I'm doing well, thanks. Enjoying the early hours with my dog Max. How about yourself?
I'm fantastic, thank you. I see you and Max are making the most of the morning. I've noticed you have a structured routine. What's your approach to starting the day, right?
It's all about consistency, Sophia. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. sharp. The first thing I do is some light stretching to get the blood flowing. Then, Max and I head out for our morning walk in the park. It's a ritual that really energizes both of us.
That sounds wonderfully refreshing. What do you do after you return from the park?
We usually get back around 7:30 a.m. Then it's time for a quick refresh and breakfast. I keep it simple but nutritious. Oatmeal or a smoothie usually does the trick. It's quick and fuels me up for the day ahead.
It sounds like a perfect way to start the day. Then what's next? Do you dive straight into work?
Yes, exactly. By 8:15, I'm settled at my desk, ready to tackle the day's tasks. As a freelance graphic designer, having a solid morning routine is crucial for maintaining focus and productivity, especially when working from home.
I imagine the morning walk isn't just physical exercise, but also a mental prep for you.
Absolutely, Sophia. That time is not just for physical activity, but also for clearing my mind and planning out my day. It's a game changer. The peace and quiet of the morning, combined with the fresh air, really set a positive tone for the entire day.
You make it sound almost meditative. It's making me think I should revamp my own morning routine.
I can't recommend it enough. It truly is transformative. How do you currently start your day?
Honestly, it's a bit haphazard. Coffee is the only constant in my morning. Perhaps I should consider adding a walk like you.
Adding a short walk could really boost your mood and energy levels. It's incredible what a bit of fresh air and exercise can do for your productivity.
That's a fantastic idea. Maybe I'll start joining you and Max on your morning adventures.
We'd love that. It's about building small, sustainable habits. Plus, Max always enjoys making new friends.
That sounds like a plan. It's also a great way to balance work and personal life, learning from someone who's mastered it.
Absolutely anytime, Sophia. Sharing experiences and routines can help us all find what works best individually.
It's about creating that personal formula for success, right? Not just copying someone else's routine, but finding what truly fits and enhances our own lives.
Exactly. It's about inspiration and adaptation. I'm looking forward to seeing how you tailor it to meet your needs.
Let's make these early hours productive and enriching, not just for our work, but for our overall well being.
Here's to optimizing our mornings. Thanks for this energizing chat, Sophia. And for those listening, remember, mornings are just one part of the day. I have a structured approach for the rest of the day too, which keeps me energized and balanced.
That sounds like a holistic approach to the day. How do you maintain momentum after such a strong start?
After my morning work session, I take a short break to handle some household chores. It helps me stretch my legs and prevents my living space from turning into a chaos zone. Breaking up the workday with physical activity is essential for me.
That's a smart strategy. How do you usually wind down in the evening?
My evenings are fairly structured. Dinner is usually something simple and nutritious. Then Max and I go for a short walk. It's a lovely way to digest and unwind. After we return, I avoid screens and maybe read a book, listen to a podcast, or do some light stretching.
Avoiding screens is tough, but so beneficial. And preparing for the next day the night before is a great tip.
Absolutely. A consistent sleep schedule and a no phone policy before bed have significantly improved my sleep quality.
Thanks, Dave, for sharing all these insights. It's been incredibly enlightening. For those watching, Think about how these routines can fit into your life. Tailor them to suit your needs and watch how they transform your productivity and well-being.
Happy to share, Sophia. Looking forward to hearing how everyone adapts these ideas.
Thank you all for joining us today on English with Sophia. If you found this discussion helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more content. Remember, a structured day is a successful day. See you next time. Conclusion. 1. Unlock your potential. Embrace the power of a structured morning routine to transform your productivity and overall mindset. Remember, starting your day right sets the tone for success. 2. Customize your routine. While we've shared effective strategies, the most impactful routine is the one personalized to your lifestyle. Experiment and adjust to find what truly works for you, ensuring it aligns with your goals and responsibilities. 3. Consistency is key. Consistency breeds habits, and good habits lead to lasting improvements. Commit to your routine daily and watch as it gradually enhances both your English proficiency and your personal growth. 4. Balance and well-being. Incorporate activities that boost both your physical and mental health. A morning walk, mindfulness exercises, or a creative hobby can enrich your routine, providing not just productivity, but also joy and satisfaction. 5. Embrace learning opportunities. Use your routine as a chance to engage continuously with English, whether through reading, listening, or speaking. Consistent exposure to the language in practical, everyday contexts will accelerate your learning and retention. 6. Stay motivated. Keep your end goals in sight and remind yourself why you started. Whether it's to advance in your career, improve communication skills, or simply enhance your cognitive functions, let these motivations drive your daily practices. 7. Seek and share support. Join communities or groups who share your commitment to improvement. Sharing experiences and tips can provide new insights and keep you motivated. Don't hesitate to share your progress and challenges. It's all part of the learning journey. 8. Reflect and adapt. Regularly reflect on the effectiveness of your routine. Are you seeing the improvements you hoped for? Are there areas that feel more like a chore than a benefit? Adapting your routine over time ensures it remains relevant and rewarding. 9. Celebrate achievements. No matter how small, every progress point is worth celebrating. Acknowledging your successes builds confidence and reinforces the value of your daily routine. 10. Plan for the future. As your skills improve, update your goals and the complexity of your routine. Continuously challenge yourself to reach higher levels of proficiency and personal development. We hope this conclusion inspires you to take action and make the most of every day. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better routines and improved English skills. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to grow, learn, and succeed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. Let's make tomorrow even better than today.